Had a big thunderstorm last night. River went up, what, 2.5 feet overnight?
Yeah.
Going to check it out, see what the motor can't accomplish.
Not the motor, batteries.
Batteries, yeah.
Cruising along at about 1300, going painfully slow, fighting about 2-3 mile an hour current.
Be a little bit faster than that. On the way back might be record setting.
Oh god, yeah. That's gonna be intense. I just hope the batteries are alive. We already blew through 30% of our battery, so we gotta stop and charge. Perfect. Dude, we can haul ass right here behind the pillar. It's crazy how fast it makes you turn though. Jesus Christ! You want to hold the camera so you can keep us alive? High temperature alarm. This ain't good. We were going a little too hard with the motor. This is sketchy as hell, man. Jesus. Hold on, I gotta try to fade the branches. Okay.
Those batteries ship in 2 days. That's good.
We're in desperate need of batteries. I done it. See how fast we can go?
You just turned off the alarm.
Yeah, but I mean, it'll be fine. 6.3, 6.8, 7, 7.1.
I think that's a new record.
That's awesome. Yeah, we'll pull back.
We'll be fine.
Showtime. Let's see what we got. Yep, that is a big old battery. Let's get this thing charged up and I don't know. Charger says green, power on, red, charging green, power on, red, green. Yeah, so I'll say it's charged. There we go. Ta-da!
Finished installing the new lithium board batteries.
Oh yeah. Basically we're hauling ass now. Oh yeah. Dude, they're like hauling ass. Oh yeah. Unlimited power. Gonna be a good day out here on the river. Oh yeah. We think we're gonna try and chop this down today. We're feeling frisky. Go at more of the top. Hey-o, got him. It worked. The chainsaw is a work of art. I'll send that to the logging company. It'd be awesome if there was a logging company on the river.
There is.
Oh, I see what he did there. Come to our first real roadblock, a big old tree. Let's see if we can make it easier to pass through. Oh yeah, we're logging, baby. Yeah. You think I can just push over the pontoons?
We're on it.
I wonder if we could tug from this side and sort of can opener it. Oh yeah. The can opener, I think it's huge. Are you sure we can't push it forward? Maybe try using this hole as like a fulcrum. There we go. We went on top of it? Yeah. We gotta spin it somehow. Try and turn the boat like this.
That's too snug in the back lock.
Is it? Oh yeah.
You pull that thing, I'm gonna push on this.
With a grapple?
Yeah.
Oh boy. Here come my grappling skills, or lack thereof. Ah, that's horrible. Edit that one out. That never happened. Edit that one out. Edit that one out. Edit that one. Alright, let's try this again. Okay. Ready? Yep. Alright, I'm turning it. So we did something. Dude, try and get us to go backwards. There we go. Oh, we're moving pretty good, but I feel like we just need to drift backwards now. Can you hold this rope? I'm gonna turn the motor a little bit. You think we can give it any type of gas backwards?
We ended up breaking our motor. This is supposed to not be broken right here, but it is broken.
Yeah. Okay, I'm giving it 100 watts. We're going back. I think this is working good. Let out a bunch of slack and then try yanking on it real hard. Maybe. Just grappled right on. Can you grapple it again? Quick. Come on. Do it. Do it. Oh, I just picked up a huge straggler. I'm gonna free that guy up. There you go. Okay. Slight reverse. Yeah. Slightly reversing. Ooh, there you go. Look at that thing. That's a monster.
That's what she said.
I'm going kind of fast right now. Come on, get through there. Yep. Let's blow this pop stand. So we just got ourselves into a predicament. I put us here because there was a huge torpedo over here. So I smartly put ourselves to the right and put us right into a tree. Did we just? Yep.
We just added a new weapon to the arsenal.
Raphael would be proud. Where did it come from?
Hanging from a brand.
That's your new chain. You just need to push the whole boat to the left. There we go. So we're stuck again. There's a big tree on the bottom right here. Let me get on the left side. Oh, just walked right by. Big old spider. Oh, there's another little spider being infiltrated. Oh, that's a little baby one. I gotta get him with something. Oh, if I only had that knife, I could deal with that spider. Oh, there's another one. Dudes, we're being infiltrated by spiders. There's 2 spiders on the wall here. You just walked right by them. One might be on you. He's laughing. I'm dead serious. So we got a straggler right here. Oh. Ah! Yep, no ticket, no ride. There we go.
A little bit more. Left.
Yeah.
We're good.
Good? Okay. Seems like we're stuck on something.
Yeah, rubbing.
I'm gonna go front left real quick. There we go. Oh crap. I moved 200 pounds to the front left and we just instantly take off because I had the throttle on. All right, there we go. Smooth sailing for a little bit. We just arrived at this thing. We got stuck right here because of this big guy. It smells wonderful right here. So now we're gonna try and formulate a plan because we want to go that way. We got further than this the last time, didn't we?
This is as far as we got. Rob was cutting by hand right there, but
oh, yeah.
Got about 1 inch in, Rob.
That's what she said.
Well, we'll figure something out. Stand by. Action.
Gonna see how much juice we had left, and
Oh, 2
green, right to red. So what's that mean?
40% to dead.
Also,
Probably because it hasn't been charged in a while. We have all the stuff to charge it.
we have to disconnect the batteries from the motor.
No. And yes, I am eating a burger right now. Ah, dude, that sucks. Delicious. Sucks. Delicious. Sucks. Our chainsaw's dead. Can't get through here, so I'm leaving Coots. So long, sucker. We are gonna turn around once Coots unsticks the grapple.
Oh, that might have made things worse.
Uh-oh. Yeah, this is a terrible idea. It's like, why is this thing grapple so good? Kinda got it. There we go. Teamwork. Well, this is gonna be kind of tricky to get out of. Yeah, jack the nose that way. There you go. We got this one big thing right down here. Yeah, we sure do. Hopefully we can just slide past it.
Oh yeah, that seems likely. Just give it a sec.
Past it?
Yeah. Here, grab the camera. Stop.
Bravo.
Turn other way.
Good?
A little bit more. There.
We escaped.
Alright, here's where we had our hang up earlier. Slide over to them boy right there. There's the tree that we pulled out earlier. This is going to be interesting. Oh, it's good. That couldn't have gone much better.
Right. Oh yeah. What happened?
I hit my hip on that.
Oh, dude, I purposely put a rounded corner on it.
Yeah, it's still serrated.
I want to narrate to the camera what we're doing.
We don't know what we're doing.
Yeah.
We got all this juice and we just don't know what to do with it. There goes a deer just sitting there. Or laying there chilling, staring at us. Hey deer, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
He's like, oh crap, I forgot.